Hello, Dumalanta Valeria Locha. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Sepedi lesson with llSepedi. Today's topic is animal diphoofolo. This is part 2. If you have not watched part 1 yet, we learned in the previous video about domestic animals. It will be linked down below. Okay, y'all. Disclaimer, I do not own copyright for any of the images used in this video. We are only here for education purpose. So, let's get to the video. A lion is called Tau. Zebra, Pitsi. Buffalo, Nari. Leopard, Leporo. Cheetah, Nkwe. Elephant, Tlou. Giraffe, Thutlwa. A vervet monkey, Kgabo. A baboon, Tshweni. Hippo, Kubu. Snake, Nora. Jackal, Phukubye. Hyena, Phiri. Rhino, Chukudu. Daika, Phuthi. Springbok, Phala. Rock HYRAX, Pila. Steenbok, Pudufudu. A wildebeest, Kgokong. A hare, Mutla. We have reached the end of today's video. I hope you have learned a lot about wild animals. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Comment down below to share your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching.